The wind swung right round now, Laurie. Yeah, it is. It's got a bit cool actually. Here we go. No, this is it. You got the tundra to fly anyway, so. Yeah, that's right. Plenty of time. Yeah, it's the wind keeps getting up a bit, doesn't it? Yeah. All that flying I did with that, gentle flying, it was still 23 volts in it. I could have flown again with that battery. No, it's lovely up there. Nice sky. The wind's not bad. It's dead easy, isn't it? I've made a cradle for mine now, like yours. This is a very into-wind model, this is. Yes, it did. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, because there's no ailerons on it, so I can't pull a wing up, you see. I have to rely on just banking it round. It's a different technique altogether. She's a lovely old, gentle old lady, this is. As long as you've got something to fly, that's the main thing. Yeah, that's the main thing. Doesn't matter what you're flying, as long as you fly it well.
Almost doesn't like being driven at speed. It gets very twitchy.
Yeah. They're a very light model, aren't they? You know, this flies on next to no power.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Tonight for stooging, isn't it, tonight? Yeah.
It's started going away from me on the wind.
Yeah, just keep it into wind. It's all good practice for you.
Well, it unnerved me. It was heading
Yeah.
to the dreaded trees.
Just put a bit of power on, bring it back.
Oh no, not the trees.
lovely just stooging around, isn't it? This is our sort of flying, isn't it? I was telling Steve about the large models and the way they fly them. And I said, you know, Steve, although they build lovely models, they're not that confident with the landings and that. Yeah, of course you do.
I could do with some nice still weather.